common for any language. So if Chiranjay is a boy, or Advik and Advik, all are boys here. So if I call you people like, hey, how are you? Like, for example, Advai Singh is a good boy. She is very good writer. Can I say she is very good writer? No, right? Because Advai is a boy. So I need to use the correct pronoun for that, right? So what will eventually happen if you don't talk in a proper English? The people who are before you cannot really understand what you are talking. Correct. So that is the importance of English grammar. Not only grammar, for English, for any languages. If you want whatever you're talking, it should be good to others. They should understand you. It means you need to talk well. So now when it comes to grammar, we have a lot. So English grammar is a big boat and we are all sailing in that. No, not a big boat. Actually, English grammar is the sea and we are just a small boat in that. So we are just here, but English grammar is like a sea. So we have lot and lot to learn and we have lot and lot things to get. So one more question to you all. Now you are sitting there, I am sitting here, I am teaching you what is noun, what is pronoun, what is tense, what is verb, everything. You will understand, obviously you will understand something. But is that only enough for you to learn English? Yes, Advai?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, Advai?
Ma'am, no. It is not. No.
It's not that only, it's not important. No, what then? What else is important, Advai?
Ma'am, grammar.
No, I am asking that question only. So I am teaching you grammar. You are sitting there, I'm sitting here, I'm teaching you grammar. Is that only necessary or is that enough? If I teach you what is noun, what is pronoun, what the verb, everything I'm teaching you, full grammar part. And I'm asking you like talk in English in a proper way. Will that work in that way?
No, ma'am.
Then what you need to do?
Ma'am, we have to do for grammar. We have to put grammar and that sentence.
Eventually what Advai is trying to say means we have to start talking in English. We have to start talking in English. We have to start reading the English textbooks. We have to start reading the newspaper. You have to start reading many story books. You have to start watching the movies in English. So if you are very curious, if there is an English movie, if it is coming in a Telugu version, like you will be very, very curious to go and watch them in Telugu version, right? Instead of English. Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Telugu movies grabs your attention more than like other language movies, right? Because your mother tongue is Telugu, right? Advik, 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 what are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm writing the contents of this slide English grammar parts of speech.
You can write later, Advik. First listen, okay? Because why I'm saying that is, you cannot do the both of the works at the same time. You cannot do neither of them in a correct way. So first listen. After the class, please do make the notes. While the class is going on, don't make the notes.
Okay, ma'am.
We need to start working on English. It's not just reading about English. It's not just reading about English grammar. You have to start working on English grammar, right? You have to start talking in English. You have to start exploring the English. How can you explore the English? Can anyone tell me how can you explore English in the sense learn more English words, learn more good way, how to speak more good efficient way? How will you learn? Yes.
Ma'am, we'll speak English to each other we met.
Yeah. Yes. Correct. That is one of the point. Then,
We
Advai.
will, we will read newspaper every day.
Very good. While reading newspaper, what are the advantages? You will learn new words in the newspaper. You will learn many things, how to talk, how to frame sentences. Everything will be there in the newspaper, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference between newspaper and the storybook?
The storybook tells in the storybook what the story tells what happened in the storybook after such long time,
And we learn some English by storybooks also. In newspapers, we get some English parts that is very helpful for us. So both of them are very helpful for us.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am,
Chiranjay is correct. Yeah. Adavai, your opinion, what is the difference between newspaper and a storybook?
storybook is a book that tells us a story, and newspaper tells us and um,
Newspaper also telling a story.
art, news and articles should and games such as Sudoku and problems and the advertisements of the companies.
Cricket, sports papers will be there. So basic difference, one basic difference we notice. Newspaper
Ma'am,
will have the thing, yeah,
ma'am, the storybooks are fictional and the newspaper contains of real moments happened in a particular country or state.
correct, exactly. So that's what I am about to say. So storybooks are something that are fictional story, and newspaper is something that whatever happened in the real life, it tells the news, that one. But one more, this is like normal difference, but the English grammar point of view, storybooks will be always like they are talking to you. Once upon a time, there was a princess. She went there. She met a prince. She fell in love. It will be like it's talking to you.
Yeah, I saw that. I will
Yes,
be there.
correct. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Comes to newspaper, when it comes to newspaper, it won't be like once upon a time there was a CM of Tamil Nadu, there was a CM of Telangana, there is a CM of like some north state. It won't be like that. No, it won't be like a story. It will be like rather an information, right? It will be rather like in the police station of Vijayawada, at this much time, this thing was happened at this street in the Bangalore. At this much time, at this time, something happened. It will be like just the information. But in story, it will be like somebody is talking with you. Correct? So, is there any
Yes, ma'am.
difference between these two kind of English? The English that is being used in the newspaper and the English that is being used in the storybooks. Is there any difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of course. No, there is a difference. So the newspaper, whatever, both are English. There is no difference like whether it's English paper or what language. The main difference between those two is sentence
Yes, ma'am.
formation.
Yes, ma'am.
Sentence
Sentence.
formation. Sentence formation is completely different. No, in storybooks, in newspapers, sentence formation is completely different, right? So
Yes,
both
ma'am.
have their, if you read both of them, both have their own advantage and disadvantage. If you read storybooks, you will learn how well to talk to others, how good I can talk to others. You will learn about that. When you read newspapers, you will learn how to form the sentence in a professional way.
Yeah, already given.
Professional
He's
way,
aware.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday only.
So that is what. So now already we have completed the noun, pronoun and all. So now we are actually moving to. So yes, Chiranjay Anand, did you try all these four? Can we try? So Advik and Advai, do you people have any idea of noun, pronoun, preposition? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Advai, what is noun?
Noun is a place or a thing, place, people, animals,
Mm-hmm.
and animals. There are there are three mainly there are three types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, and proper noun and common noun.
Don't have to go that deep. We need to learn grammar because we need to speak
Okay.
English in a correct way. So we'll stop with the noun for now. We'll go to the common noun, proper noun, everything. But now, noun is something you told the name of the place, animal, or thing, right? No, Chiranjay, you will be given the chance, not now, okay?
Yes.
Because we already completed all this. So this is their turn. You wait, okay? So wait a sentence. I'll see a sentence. Ah, yeah. Take this sentence. So, you people told me He is sitting behind his friend. Is my handwriting okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is noun here, Advai? Yes.
Ma'am, he and friend.
He and friend is a noun. Is it? He is noun, correct. Friend is noun, huh? According to you,
No.
name of a place, person, thing, animal comes under noun. So friend should also be the noun, correct, according to your formula. But I am telling it's wrong. Friend will not come under noun. You should never mug up anything. Children, I am telling you this particular day, remember it very carefully. Whatever subject it is, English, science, maths, social, anything. Don't mug up things. Whenever I ask you what is noun, understand what is noun. Noun is called the hero of the sentence. The whole sentence will talk about the noun only. If there is a sentence, if that one particular matter is going to be the hero of the sentence, that is only noun. Here, friend is a place, is a name of like a person, but friend is not, see, instead of friend, I am just erasing it friend. I'm just giving it as Advai. Huh. Now will you say Advai? Advai is also noun? It's also name of a person, no? Will you say Advai is a noun? No, right? It's not noun. The whole sentence is not talking about Advai. The whole sentence is talking about he. That guy, this guy is sitting behind Advai. That's all. This guy is the hero of the sentence. No. The sentence is talking about he. Right? Correct or not? So whenever I ask you what is noun, don't give me the answer, ma'am. Name of a place, animal, and thing, ma'am. That's coming under noun. So when there is this kind of sentence, you will mark it wrong. Your answer will be wrong. Right? Yes, Advik. Am I right or not? Are you getting it? So whenever there is a sentence, there will be one particular character, there will be one particular thing, there will be one particular animal or place. The whole sentence will talk about that place only. For example, one more sentence I'll give you with respect to place. So, Bangalore is in India. Yeah, now tell me, will Bangalore and India both be noun here?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, why? Which one will be noun here, India or Bangalore?
Bangalore.
Bangalore will be noun because the whole sentence is talking about Bangalore only, not about India. Right? It's telling where the Bangalore is. Where the Bangalore is. So here India is also place, Bangalore is also place. So according to your definition, I should say both are noun, but it's wrong. Correct? Getting the main difference. This is a very basic difference. Everybody will get wrong. Right? So now question is, what is India? Chiranjay, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is India? Then Bangalore is a noun. Is a
Helping word,
helping verb. Yes. In is a
preposition,
very good. India.
object.
Exactly.
Right.
India comes under object because this object is just going to be an object in the sentence that doesn't add any value to the sentence. A value in the sense like Bangalore is in India. We actually talk about the hero of the sentence and not about India. So when the India is important in the sentence, if I take out India, the sentence is incomplete. Am I right? Bangalore is in question mark. Where is Bangalore? But if I keep India, still India will not be having any importance. The India cannot be the hero of the sentence, but still it will be object of the sentence. Yes? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now did you understand why it is noun? And then comes to helping verb. So what are helping verb? So helping verbs are something that always is gonna help the sentence. For example, take all the sentence. You will have at least one helping verb. Is a helping verb. Was will be also a helping verb. Was will be the helping verb. Here, any other helping verb is there? No.
And I think where.
Where?
Were, ma'am.
That's right.
WERE, ma'am.
Yes.
It's also a past continuous, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
And
Yeah.
is, was, and were are the past continuous too.
Correct. Where is also helping verb. So kind
Yes,
of
I got.
these things are going to be,
Even this is also
helping you.
actually my understanding.
Right? Understood. This is going to be helping verb. And what is preposition? Now coming to noun clear. Noun clear. See, whatever definition you gave will
Yes.
be there here also. Whatever slide I am giving, the same definition is there. Here also they have given the same thing. But you should not read like that. Yes, you should understand the concept of noun. When somebody asks you blindly, you should not say this is noun, that is adverb, this is the definition of adverb, right? So noun completed. Now coming to verb. What is verb?
Ma'am,
Yes, what is
actions.
verb? Action. Very good. Action words are called as verb. So whenever there is an action in the question. So whenever the noun is doing some action, especially noun. I'm again telling you, when noun is doing some action, then that comes under verb. Yes? Correct? Wait a minute. I'll give you the list of
Yes, ma'am.
helping verbs.
Yes,
I'll give you
madam.
the list of helping
Yes.
verbs. That will be helpful for you to understand. I'll give the list, you may write it down. Not now, after the class. Yes. What is adverb? Now you know what is verb. What is adverb? Adverb.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Adverb.
adverb
adverb
As per
tells,
my
ma'am,
understanding, this
adverb
is not right.
tells us how,
For product
and
location models, it should be
adverbs
involved.
describe
ma'am,
But still,
Word.
actually, there is a question because
Ma'am,
we have been there,
adverb
no? As
describes
which is
word.
seen as a lot number. I'm not sure whether the lot
Adverb
number
describes verb.
against one
Correct.
location
So
could be
when
one to many.
something verb is telling, I am walking. I am walking slowly. Right? So the slowly is going to
Okay.
describe how the verb is walking. The noun is walking. I am walking. Walking is the verb. Slowly is describing the walking gesture. How they are walking? They are walking slowly or fastly, or how they are walking. Right? Correct? Got it? Yes. So
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
include a slide. I will include a slide here. Is it visible for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Please make a note of this. It will be helpful. Okay. While dividing the sentence, when what is coming under verb, what is coming under yes. Clear? Clearly visible? Remember, these all will not come every time. But helping verbs like is, was, are, were, being, been, be, have, has, these will be very common in the sentences. Okay, these primary helping verbs are very, very common. So you have to remember these primary helping verbs. They'll be very common. Okay, make a note after the class, not now. Yes, shall we go for some of the exercises? Before that, adverb. So adverb is going to often tell you how, when, where it can describe a verb. Yes, it is always going to describe the verb. Can you tell any example adverb for adverb?
Ma'am, he
What?
he goes off. He goes off every day. Every day is the adverb.
Tell again.
Goes office
Every day. Correct. Exactly. Very good. Can you tell two more sentences like that? Yes, two more sentences. Network issue for him. Yes, Advik, can you tell me two more sentences?
The dog runs very fast. And the second one is ma'am, the speaker is very loud. Or the speaker is playing songs very loud.
Speaker is playing songs very loud. Loud, very loud. Correct, correct. Then Chiranjay, can you tell me two or more sentences using adverb?
Ma'am,
Yes,
my dog went far away from me. Ma'am, the far
correct.
is word.
Adverb. Adverb. Far is adverb. The dog went. Went is some verb. Went is going. Going past form is went. So went far away. So far is, yes, adverb. Correct. Shall I go to exercises? No, before that we will complete what is adjective. What is adjective? Adjective is going to describe the noun or pronoun. Verb is going to describe the adverb. Adjective is going to describe the noun. Okay. She is looking beautiful. She is looking beautiful. Beautiful. Here, beautiful is describing the she. Right. Correct. Are you getting people? Getting? Advik? Advai? Chiranjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Advik, can you tell me few sentences using adjective if you
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Yeah.
The apple is rotten and
Apple is
the
rotten.
apple
Correct. Yes. Tell using a bottle, water bottle. Using a water bottle, tell a sentence.
ma'am, I need to tell the water bottle
Ma'am?
have much water in it.
No.
Ma'am, are you talking about the adverb?
Adjective. Adjective. We passed on. Adverb. Everybody is knowing adverb.
Ma'am,
We will go. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am,
ma'am, the
Wait,
water
wait.
bottle of that boy is green.
Hey, very good. Very good. Water bottle is green. But describing the noun, how the water bottle is. No. But when you said before sentence, the water is full, you should not say that because the purpose of the water bottle is to take the water. No. So the primary purpose of the water bottle is to take the water. So it's a function of the water bottle. So that doesn't come under adjective directly. But when you describe how the noun is, so the water is full. It's like teacher is teaching. The work of the teacher is to teach, right? So it doesn't come that way. So second one is right. So water bottle color is green. That is correct. Yes, Advai, can you tell me two to three example sentences for adjective?
My bottle have more capacity. My bottle has more capacity.
What? Can you tell again, Advai? Your voice is breaking. Yes? Yes?
Ma'am, you are not audible. Can you repeat?
Hello? Am I audible to rest of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Advik, please check your brother's network,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So he's having some problem, no? Go and check it. Why you are not having the network issue, but your brother is having? Are you both in same room? Sorry, same home? Yes. Advik. Advik,
Ma'am, actually he is hesitating to speak, ma'am, probably.
is you both are there in same room?
Yes, ma'am.
So why his network is not working, but yours is working?
Ma'am, probably he is hesitating to speak.
Ma'am, in the middle of the class, I am uh, not able to uh, listen your voice.
Okay, fine. You didn't understand what is preposition now? That's the point, right? Sorry,
No,
you didn't understand what is adjective. You didn't
Ma'am,
understand?
other
ma'am,
examples.
I have understand the adjective when I was 10 years.
Okay, not a problem. In chat, type some 2 to 3 sentences that represents adjective, that has adjective. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Not you,
Other
Chiranjay.
examples.
Advai only. Okay. And Chiranjay, you can tell me now, like 2 or 3 example sentences that use adjective in the sentence. Adjective is
Ma'am,
going to describe the noun. Yeah.
for example, the elephant is tall and he is living in the forest. And the tall is an adjective.
Wait. Elephant is tall. And then what you said?
Ma'am, and living in the forest.
And living in the forest. You said and, you said and only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. So one more question I'll ask you. So there is a frog. For example, there is a, okay, not frog. There is a dog. Dog. Okay. So all of you, 3 of you, please listen. There is a dog. I know that the dog is male. Gender of the dog is male. Okay. So there is a teacher for me. The teacher is telling me to write an essay about dog. So I am start writing the essay. I am starting to write the essay, and I'm mentioning my dog is the my favorite pet. He will love me so much. Food. He will eat that food. He will do that. He will do this. Is my sentence is right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen
Yes.
very carefully. I am telling. I they are told me they have told me to write essay about my dog. First sentence I am telling my dog is my favorite pet. He is very good. He will eat this food. He will drink this one. He will be very naughty. He will sleep at night in this time. Is this my sentences are correct? Is these all my sentences are correct? No or yes?
Yes,
Yeah. Is it correct? Yes. Adavik, if it is correct, why it is correct?
ma'am, because we are not using the noun dog again and again, we are using uh, because we know the gender of the dog, we are using he as the pronoun.
Okay. Yes. Fine. Then Chiranjay, your opinion?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So whatever I said is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second.
Ma'am, you are writing another one.
No, my question is the thing is it's wrong. Whatever I'm writing, they say is wrong. Dog and human beings are not same. Whenever it is something other than human being, the dog, animal, cat, you will use it. You will use it. It is good dog. It is my favorite dog. It will eat this. It will eat that. You have to use something called it. Whenever you're talking about animals or other than human beings, you have to use it. You should not use he or she. It's wrong. Understood? He or she will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
used only for human beings. For example, my dog name is Nikki. My dog name is Nikki. She will be very beautiful. She will be very good. She'll be very cute. It's like I'm describing about some human beings, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
Advik, like Advik and dog is not same, right? Advik is human being, dog is dog. So how will you make difference in your sentence? You should use it when you talk about animals, birds, or other than human beings, right? Insects. Yes, you have to use
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
You should not use he or she. Even though you know the gender of the particular thing, you should not use. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Major mistake. Everybody do this. Everybody do this major mistake of they'll be telling he or she to the dog. No, that's wrong. Grammatically, it's wrong. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Remember. So that is
Okay, ma'am.
adjective. Then coming to preposition. So what is preposition? Can Chiranjay Anand explain what is preposition?
Ma'am, preposition is a word that is used before the noun.
Okay. What
Means
is
the hero
preposition?
of the sentence. Hero of the sentence.
Preposition is the hero of the sentence.
No, ma'am, I'm telling that prepositions is a word that comes after, that comes, that is used before the noun.
Before
And
the noun.
noun is also, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give you a sentence.
Noun and pronoun. Ma'am, noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun.
Okay, I'll give you a sentence. I am no no. What? I am an idiot. What? I am an idiot. This is a line. So according to Chiranjay's definition, it comes before the noun. Comes before the noun. So before the noun, what is there? So is what a preposition? Is what preposition or not? It should be coming like what am I an idiot? It should come like am I? It's not I am. Yes. What am I is a sentence. So what is coming before the I? Maybe the subject is the am. Okay, tell like am. Leave the what. I is the subject here. Am is coming before the subject as per Chiranjay's definition. Is am helping verb or preposition?
Ma'am, it's a preposition.
It's a preposition. It's not a helping verb. See, but it is coming under helping verb.
Ma'am, but in the preposition also it is written as it, M, R, like that also. But R is not, ma'am.
Am is written here. Any am is seen here.
No, ma'am.
Is any am seen here?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Advi Kadvai.
Yes, ma'am.
What I am saying?
Ma'am, preposition usually show a position of a noun, like behind, beside, like that, between.
Exactly. Chiranjay, you still didn't understand what is preposition. We spent one full class for that. What is this? Chiranjay,
Yes, ma'am.
you didn't understand the preposition till now. We spent one full class. What is this? Tell me. Yeah, the I'll give you sentence three. All of the three try. The cozy blanket
Ma'am,
kept me warm. Yeah. The cozy blanket. What is the? And one more thing, I have to introduce you to something called articles. Articles. Yes. A
Yes, ma'am.
and the. These three are articles. Only these three. Yes. Why these three? These three are going to tell how many. Like, for example, an apple, the kingdom. Right? An apple means what? An apple means one apple. Right? Instead of one apple, I can use an apple also. Right? A pen.
Yes.
A pen. A pen means one pen. So instead of one, I can use a also. Right?
Ma'am, it is only used for singular nouns.
Yeah, exactly. So I cannot say pens and balls. No, no, and eggs. I cannot say. I can use only for singular because instead of one, we are using a, an, and the. So what is the difference? Wherever you will use a, for example, a pen, if I am having this sentence, the word that behind a should always be a consonant. It should not be vowel. Understood what is consonant and vowel?
Yes, ma'am.
What are vowels? Chiranjay,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
what are vowels? What are vowels? Vowels.
Ma'am, A-E-I-O-U.
A, E, I, O, U. So if wherever I want to use a, then the thing that is beside the word beside the A should not, that word should not start with an vowel. It should not start with vowel. It should start with a
Yes, ma'am.
consonant, right?
Ma'am,
If that is,
if you gave example, ma'am, for example, elephant is eating the orange, ma'am. In elephant, ma'am, E is the E
yeah,
and A is the vowels, and in orange, ma'am, E A and E A O is the vowel.
yeah, vowel yeah, it's okay. Vowel I got it. So and so it should be now my question is A or an. Elephant ate apple. Yeah, what should come
Ma'am,
before?
an elephant ate apple. A N.
Anna. Okay, Advik, you.
what, ma'am?
What are you doing, Advik? Are you listening the class? Is something else going on?
Ma'am, my brother is continuously saying that, say to ma'am that we have TT
no,
classes.
ma'am. Ma'am, he is lying. Ma'am, I'm not telling him.
You're telling you have PT class, huh?
No, ma'am, I'm not telling him. He is lying to you.
So basically, fighting is going on. Class is going on here. Their fighting is going on in the background. Correct? Huh? What? Both of you. If you people fight like this, what is the use of class?
Ma'am, he is
If
playing with pencil.
throwing pencil on you.
No, ma'am. He was in the class. He was playing with the pencil. So,
Hmm. I know, Advik, you're doing something there. That's why I'm asking you, what are you doing, Advik? What are you doing? Because I can see you're not seeing me. So there is no contact. Whenever I ask you, Advik, and something, then you're unmuting and seeing and talking. Hereafter, I'm gonna bring some rule. There will be two cameras. The one camera that will be the front camera that I'll be seeing you. One more camera you have to fix here. Here, if you are watching the laptop here, you have to fix the camera right side of you so that your full table full will be I'll be seeing. Both cameras should be there from next class. I'll talk to your parents, not only you, both, all the three. I need to see you from the sideways, what you people are doing. Also, you will see me in the front. Shall I make it like that? This is fighting class or grammar class? You know, Advik and Advai, I already completed noun, pronoun, everything. Yes, Kichiranjay?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am teaching for you people again. So, what is article? Tell me, both of you.
Ma'am, and the.
And the. See, three articles are there. A, and the. These three comes under articles. So, I was telling you, wherever you want to use article, instead of one, you will use the article. For example, a pen, you will use. An egg, you will use. So why an and why a? Not everywhere you should not use a, or everywhere you should not use an. Because there is a difference. Wherever if you want to use a, the next word should start with a consonant. Wherever you want to use an, the next word should start with vowel.
Vowels.
Yes, understood, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now fill in the blanks. Dash, elephant, ate, apple.
And.
Yeah. Now one more sentence. Now the, sorry, not the, uh dash university is good. The yeah, is good. Yeah. Now what should come here?
Ma'am, the.
The, ma'am.
The should come, or and should come? Yes, and or the should come. Yes.
Ma'am, probably and.
And okay. Adavai, your wish, your opinion. Yes, Adavai. What should come here?
Ma'am, and
Okay. The answer is the.
and
Yes, ma'am.
No, and answer is the. So now I have told you where a should come, where and should come. I have not said you where the should come. I'll tell you the next class. What is the very basic difference between an, a? Where should we use a? Where should we use the? Where should we use an? Yes, I'll tell you in the next class. Yes, till now understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So
ma'am.
yes,
coming to homework part. Both Advai and Advik, I think, hope you're fine. Both of you now can do homework,
yes,
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have to record for 1 minute. You have to talk about anything. Whatever you want, you can talk. For 1 minute, you should talk. Mostly you should avoid the grammar mistakes. Mostly that if you cannot avoid, it's completely fine, but better to avoid. Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
it can be like you are talking. It can also be like you and your mother is talking and somebody else is taking the video. Have a conversation with someone. For example, Advik is talking to his mother. Talk about anything. Hi, mother, how are you? How was your day? Your mother will say, yes, Advik, I am fine. How are you? Conversation for about 1 minute. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do conversation also, or you can also talk yourself, like you yourself can talk. Hi, I am Advik. Like you can talk about anything. You can talk about your pet. You can talk about your mom. You can talk about something happening in the society. You can talk about anything. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am.
that is your homework, and I'll give you worksheet. You have to complete. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye
Ma'am, in
bye.
notebook.
Yeah, paper or notebook, your wish.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.